wala nang ano. Pwede pa naman yung mukha ako. At saka naka-ano naman. Wala. Secular. So today I'm going to make a video and unboxing my parcel. Kasi may parcel akong dalawa dito. So I will unbox mo. This one, the first one, and the second one is this one. Parcel tayo guys. Mag-unboxing tayo kasi nga wala akong video. And I don't want to live. Tinatamad akong mag-live. Baka pumunta si Kwa. Okay. So this is it. Oh. This is a fake nails guys. At meron syempre meron akong pa-free. Look at that. Oh, looks good. And then my free. So pangtali na naman ako sa buhok ko. At meron silang pa-free na pang-likit. So I will try this one. Siguro it's too just too long. So we'll try that one first. I don't like too long guys. Oh, I think it's better. Kailangan ko bang putulan. Yung ka na kasi ng putol. Minsan nakakainis na magputol. I think it's okay. I think it's just right. Just right, honey. So I will try this, the color of this. But I like red. I like red. Maybe. Then the other one is this. Actually, meron akong ganito. I like that one. That's the reason why I order again this one. Because this is also, I like that design of this one. So this is my first parcel. Ka-artihan. Wala naman sa ibang gawin ko. Di-immerse sa one. Sa buhay ko. That's made me happy. And my bed sheet. Palitan ko na kasi yung isa. I don't like that. It's so cute. Masyado na siyang, parang masyado na siyang old. Okay naman yung mga tela. But maybe TikTok. So this is only, mura lang siya guys. Nasa 166 lang siya. Hindi ba? Ang cute no? Di ba? Ang cute ang kulay. I like it. Ay, kaso lang sobrang haba naman ang punta ng una na to. O tingnan mo. Cute niya. I like it. Papalitan ko kayo ito. Labhan ko muna. Labhan ko muna. Hindi ako nang papalitan. Ang cute niya. I like it. I like the color of this. Oh, cute. Parang gusto ko. Gusto ko ng tila. Mag-order tayo ulit ako. So parang hindi kasya dito sa akin. Kasya kaya. Single. Ang cute ng tela. Look at that. I like it. Parang napakaliwalas niya. By the way, I already checked mine. Inano ko na yan guys. Tawag dito. Pininturahan ko na yan para yung aking background is very good. So, tomorrow na to. Gusto ko pong mag-order ng isa. Para maraming kalit. Pero wag na. Enough na. I will save my money. Okay. So that is for today's video. Hope you like this video. And don't forget to give me a like if you like this video. Do subscribe. And click the notification bell so you will notify if I have any coming upload video. I will make more video guys. So, mapamonetize ko lang ulit ang channel na to. And hopefully, mabait sa YouTube. Okay, bye again.